But like I said, the same thing with grand juries is the same thing. You know, it's any time. I don't care if you get a traffic ticket. I don't care what it is. You drag them over to the common law side of the court. I get them all the time in traffic court. It's so sweet. All I say to the judges, I look at the other two sides. I look at the cop and I look at the prosecutor. I said, we're here to discuss that I broke the law, right? Yeah, good. We're here because I broke the law, right? Good. The judge was like, we're here because I broke the law, right? Yeah, good. Wonderful. Let's go. So then they start reading the charges. That's a code that you're saying I violated. That's a code. I thought we were here to discuss that I broke the law. This is the law. I said, yeah. I throw them their own book. I said, what's the difference in your book? Like in the Code of Virginia, 1950, what's the difference between law and a code? So, that, like I said, they read the difference between a code and a law. I said, gotcha. Because you said we were here to discuss the fact that I broke the law. So, did you just make a false claim in court? Are all you folks just committing, just making false claims and saying that I broke the law? They're like, well, you know what I meant. I was like, no. You said that we're here to discuss the fact that I broke the law. I did not break the law. And I said, are you sure you people are going to be able to prove that I broke the law today? Really? Okay. I can prove in 2 seconds I didn't. So they start to read. I said, whoa, I object. I said, that's not the law. They said, yes, it is. I said, that's the code. I said, what does it say? The Code of Virginia. Where are you pulling that from? It's a code book. It's not the law. What's the difference between law and a code? Here you go. Is there anybody harmed or injured? No. That's a code then. One is the law, one is the code. I said, so, are you committing false claims in court? Are you guys committing perjury? You just feel like coming to court and saying whatever you feel like saying? You're lying? I thought you guys swore up and down that we were here to discuss the fact that I broke the law. I guess I didn't break the law, did I? Then I guess there's no reason for us to be here, is there? Oh, man, they hate it, man. I catch them with their own words. I brought them over to the common law side by just saying something simple. Are we here because I broke the law? Is that what you're claiming? Are you claiming I broke the law? Yeah. Well, the only problem is only a man can make a claim. So I guess we're over here on the common law side now. So who's here to make the claim? They're like, oh, geez, this guy got us like in 2 seconds or less. It's like, yep, I'm done, sir. Anything else you need? I love it. I've been doing this for 20 years, 30 years. I don't know. I'm 50 years old now, so I've been doing this since I've been a little kid. Just getting them in and out of court so fast, it's scary. No 100 pages of paperwork.